Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Mopa Airport not a priority. CM says project is not on hold, but government is not in a hurry. Says 6 laning of highway a must before Mopa comes up. Foreign Registration Office of Goa Police takes bribe to facilitate overstaying of foreigners in Goa, alleged Nigerians in Pune. $10 mackerels for 100 rupees only. Wednesday turns out to be lucky day for mackerel lovers in Goa. Relief to Goikars experiencing inflation. President Pranab Mukherjee to inaugurate 44th edition of International Film Festival of India, PIB announces at Hyderabad. And government orders transfer of and posting of junior scale officers of Goa Civil Services. 10 officers transferred out of 10, 6 transferred on promotion. Now news in detail. Mopa Airport is no more a priority. Chief Minister said the project is on hold, but government is not in a hurry to commence it. 6 laning of highway is a must before Mopa comes up. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar cleared this on Wednesday. He said environment impact assessment for Mopa Airport is on and tender will be floated thereafter. CM briefed media on Wednesday after the cabinet meet.
That Mopa procedure will go as per procedure, it will happen. We are not in hurry. Mopa Airport is a greenfield airport. Except land, we are not going to give any money. And the tender documents, whenever they come, they will be very clear that it has to be taken into consideration the Daboli Airport operation. Because Daboli Airport operation will not be shut down. It will be, because now after this inauguration, at least some people should get convinced that it will never be shut down. Today, as of today, we have 4 million passengers already. This year we will exceed 4 million. So even before it is inaugurated, capacity is full, 100%. The environment impact assessment process is on. After environment process, everything will be ready. Then we will go for whatever is required to be done as the next step. That is actual tendering. But again there I am making it very clear that it is an economic decision of the person who is quoting. Suppose, let us assume for argument's sake, no one quotes. I have no problem. I will go for after some time again. Passenger apeksha third profitable is cargo. It can become a cargo hub, MRO operation, maintenance, repairs, overhauling. Cargo, MRO, and the third one is hub. That means there can be hotels, there can be many other activities which can give a commercial income, supporting income to the airport. And sixth is passengers. First of all, it will generate employment. Another condition will be that it has to engage local people. Another fear which is in the minds of South Goa, some hotelier, is because they will be at distance, they may suffer, which is not correct, because by the time airport comes, there will be 6 lane connecting it across Goa. 6 lane घ्यायच्यान पण म्हापशाच्यान मडगांव पर्यंत पलतडी आनी ह्या सायडीक 6 लेनची आवश्यकता ना. 4 लेन इज एडिक्वेट. 8 वर्सां वयले जर्नलिस्ट आनी 5 ते 8 अशे 2 ग्रुप करून 8 वर्सां वयल्या तांकां 50,000 रुपया अगेन्स्ट पेमेंट ऑफ 5,000 रुपीज फॉर लॅपटॉप, PC, tablet, iPad. You can buy anything up to 50,000. 5,000 रुपया application fee.
Foreigners Regional Registration Office officials allegedly take monthly bribes ranging from rupees 10,000 to rupees 1 lakh to accommodate illegal foreigners. In an interview given to website News 66, some Nigerians have leveled this allegation. The payment ranges from 5,000 to 10,000 rupees per month. Some foreigners were paying 1 lakh rupees for 8 months. However, officials have refused to comment.
It is known fact that most of the Nigerians did not have proper documents and passport to stay in Goa. It was exposed after 53 Nigerians were arrested for creating ruckus at NH17 in Porvoori. State government started a crackdown against foreigners for staying illegally and decided to deport them. Some Nigerians flew to Mumbai. They have alleged that FRRO officials allowed them to stay illegally in Goa against some monetary bribe. These are their rates for foreigners who have valid documents but want to overstay in the state. Rupees 5,000 for 15 days and Rupees 10,000 for 1 month. Rupees 1 lakh for 8 months to stay illegally in Goa. According to News66.com report, some of the Nigerians who come to Goa on student visa are indulged in some or the other business. They stay for long duration paying bribe to Goa FRRO. They pay in cash or sometime in kind during festive season. The Nigerians claim this racket has been going on for ages at the Goa FRRO office, and most officials even know the illegal foreigners by name. Prudent contacted SP of FRRO Tony Rodriguez over the allegation, but he refused to comment. Most of the Nigerians are now staying at Pune in Maharashtra. Pune is their favorite place. Most of the educational institutions are in Pune and they can easily get access in Pune. As per the report, most of them have admitted themselves in various colleges but are not attending classes. Nearly 800 to 1,000 Nigerians are staying illegally in Pune. After this incident, some of the Nigerians have fled away to Pune as they feel it's a safe place. Meanwhile, 20 Nigerians were granted bail by Mapsa JMFC court on Wednesday, while bail applications of other 20 Nigerians are pending before the court.
The same out of 52, around 20 of them were also arrested by Mapsa police station. We had filed a bail for them, and also they have been given bail by JMFC Mapsa.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
10 to 12 mackerels for 100 rupees only. Yes, Wednesday turned out to be a lucky day for mackerel lovers in Goa. Trawlers have reaped huge catch of mackerels. This has brought some relief to Goiakars who are experiencing inflation in the prices of essential vegetables. Meanwhile, a fisherman at Malam Jetty was surprised at his catch of a mackerel weighing more than a kg. Sneha Subnis reports.
फाटलो म्हयनोभर जालो भाज्यांचो प्रेस वाडत आसा. कानो, बटाट, टमाटर सामके म्हारग जाल्या. नुस्तें तातूंत म्हारग मेळटालें. बांगडे पळयत जाल्यार 100क 4 ते 5 मेळटाले. आयज आमी पणजे बाजारांत या आनी पळोवया सद्या बांगड्याचो रेट कितें आसा तो. बांगडे कशे?
बांगडे 50 4 बांगडे किता अशें आयज सवाय म्हणून म्हागाचे 100 10 बांगडे म्हागाचे म्हणटा ते मातशे बरे आसता ताका रेट बरी आसता आनी बांगडे टेस्टी आसता बरे.
बांगडे कशे?
ते 100 सुबह 8 घालता. आयज म्हाका चड लागला बांगडे म्हणून सवाय जाले.
बांगडे 100 8 घातला बाय हे 100 स.
बाजारूच चडसो बांगडेच दिसता आयज बाजार.
आयज चड हा बांगडो ताका लागून.
कानो, टमाट आणि बटाट सध्या रेट कितले?
बटाटो कांदो 60 रुपये आसा, बटाट 35 आसा, टमाट 35.
कांद्याची रेट कितली आसा?
कांदे 60 रुपीस किलो.
बटाट आणि टमाट?
बटाटे 30 रुपीस आणि टमाटे 40 रुपीस किलो.
रेट कमी बी जाऊ शकतो.
जाता आणि 15 दिवसांनी रेट जाता म्हणतात ते आमची तेंगा पार्टी.
Fisherfolk at Malam Jetty was surprised at his catch of a mackerel weighing more than a kg. He invited media to showcase his catch.
ये बोट में अभी तक ऐसा मच्छी नहीं मिला. बांगड़ा नॉर्मल बांगड़ा छोटा साइज़ किलो का 5-6 ऐसा मिलता था. ये पहले बार 1 किलो का साइज़ मिला. तो अभी मिला ये पूरा हम लोग का बहुत खुशी हुआ. इतना बड़ा बांगड़ा मिला बोल के पहले बार देखा हम लोग.
अब ये कितने में बेचेगा?
ये बेचेगा नहीं, ये ऐसे रखेगा. एक्सपोर्ट के लिए हम सैंपल के लिए भेजेगा ये.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.